I'm humbled to be the General Chair of the EPE 2023 ECCE conference held here in Aalborg from September 4th to the 8th. This year we had the unprecedented number of more than 1,000 participants, some 40 industrial booths, some 17 sponsors, and a lot of events all through the week. Some 105 oral presentation and 350 number of posters, which is also quite a high number compared to the history of this conference.
I'm Lucia Almeida. I'm with Danfoss Drives. I'm lead software engineer. I work with new technologies for our new products, especially focused right now on condition monitoring and predictive maintenance technologies.
I have been working at Aalborg University in this field for more than 30 years. We are working with many aspects of power electronics, from basic components up to power converters and up to the systems, and it has been a fantastic journey to lead a group in this field. Aalborg University has for many years also been building up infrastructure, so we are able to support and investigate our inventions. So we have around 5,000 square meters of different facilities where we can do power module packaging, we can do testing for reliability, we can do microgrids, we can do medium voltage power electronics, as well as we also have high voltage engineering in our facilities.
I participated yesterday as a panelist in the Women in Engineering event. It was a very nice discussion. We had some new ideas about how to new initiatives we can have to attract more women to engineering, that we should start with students very early on, and we discuss what initiatives are already there, opportunities already there, where women can contribute. It was a very productive discussion, yes.
My name is Norbert Hanigowski. I'm with Danfoss Drives. I'm leading a team called Drives Intelligence, where we work with introducing intelligent functions in variable speed drives. EPE again has been a great event, more than 1,000 participants. It is fantastic to see all this interest in power electronics. My impression is there is a lot of focus on transforming the way we produce energy and we use energy. All this green transformation and Power to X means a lot.
EPE 2023, from my standpoint, I see a lot of dynamics between the participants and also the companies being here. We are having 450 papers, plus also a lot of different invited sessions, which in my opinion clearly show the importance of the technology and also gives us new directions for the research when we are coming back into our labs and have been, let's say, enjoying Aalborg for 1 week. We have fantastic weather, fortunately, so I'm quite sure people are enjoying this event.
This is also one of the topics we discussed there, where I mentioned that most women that I know that decide to become an engineer, they have a strong role model in their family of an engineer, like a father, grandfather, uncle, usually male role model. But I think I always liked the STEM subjects, math, physics, and so on.
I have seen many good posters and many interesting papers and presentations. One I would like to highlight was a paper presented on controlling grid converter in a way that eliminates harmonics from the motor. I think that was a very interesting approach which I have seen, what I can highlight from the conference.